Welcome to day 4. We are going to talk about why your landing page needs to be responsive. And what is a responsive landing page? Well, I'm sure you have seen a lot of pages, especially when you go on your mobile phone, that looks really weird. It's like they're not centered and you cannot really navigate. And that is the problem if the page is not responsive. A responsive landing page is a web page that renders well in all devices. And as a responsive page will adapt to the screen size and look good on every device. You can now build landing pages that look and feel custom made, because most of these drag and drop platforms create responsive landing pages. So why is it important? Well, I know desktops still have a large share of search clicks, but mobile phones are, as you can see on this picture, the percentage of global mobile traffic is exploding. So you need that your landing page is responsive so it looks really good on a mobile phone or on a tablet. So that is really important. But don't worry, most platforms today have it built in. But you need to find out if the platform that you use to build your landing page is responsive. Otherwise, it's a waste of your time because it's never going to work really good. Can you have a landing page without a website? Yes, you can have a landing page without a website. It's not really difficult to make landing pages anymore because there are a lot of great platforms like ClickFunnels, Elementor, and a lot of other platforms. And you just need to build the landing page, host in a domain name, and start converting your web traffic. Let's talk about the landing page versus a website, because a landing page, it's so effective because there is full focus on the subject. A landing page are customized for a specific offer. They are designed for conversion, and that is really the most important thing about a landing page. A website is designed for exploration, branding, and social proof. The purpose of a website is to brand yourself and give information to the customer and clients. The website, it's an opportunity to have a great first impression. It's a really good way to show that you have a business, that you're not a swindler. It's a really good place to showcase your brand. It's a really great place to generate business sales and leads. And it looks professional and increase your brand value. So my question is, can you afford not to have a website? And of course, if you have a website, you can make landing pages on a website. It's no problem. You just need to hide the footer and the header so people do not get distracted. So see you tomorrow, and your task, if you want to, and you have decided what to sell on your landing page, I would really like to know what it is and post it in the Facebook group, and see you tomorrow.